In a world where cleaning supplies outrank superheroes in fighting grime, eco-friendly products have emerged as the Cape Crusaders of our households. No longer do we need to wield chemical-laden, nostril-flaring agents from the underworld. Instead, we embrace nature's green warriors, armed with ingredients like vinegar, baking soda, and essential oils. First, let's talk health. The old cleaning products are like a bad diet, irritating everything from skin to lungs, and probably whispering bad news to anyone nearby. Eco-friendly alternatives? They're like morning yoga, revitalizing and safe, without the herbal tea smugness. No ammonia-induced eye-watering here. They offer fewer toxins and allergic reactions, ensuring the family's only health concern is surviving Monday mornings. Eco-conscious cleaners are better for our planet too. Traditional products love to spew volatile organic compounds, VOCs, as if trying to win a pollution competition. In contrast, their green brethren prefer a gentler approach, using biodegradable ingredients and sustainable packaging. It's a veritable hug for Mother Nature, minus the awkward pat on the back. Now, how does one choose the finest eco-friendly cleaning comrades? Dive into labels like a detective on a mysterious new series. Look for natural ingredients: vinegar, baking soda, citric acid, essential oils, the kind of stuff you might casually try to cook with on a weekend, not synthetic artifacts that sound like alien names. Confirm the non-toxic status with certifications like the EPA's Safer Choice or Green Seal to assure you're on a path lit by green lights and good intentions. Let's not overlook packaging. We love biodegradable and sustainable. Who wants a loyal cleaning product that comes wrapped in the equivalent of plastic guilt? Embrace cruelty-free as well, because no fluffy bunny should suffer for our spotless living rooms. 4 must-have supplies. Start with an all-purpose cleaner. It's the Michael Jordan of cleaning, versatile and unbeatable. Vinegar and baking soda must grace your cupboards, ready to disarm the most persistent stains. Reusable cloths wave goodbye to disposable paper, kind to the budget and the planet. Meanwhile, Castile soap stands by as the secret ingredient for everything from grimy hands to greasy countertops. Then there are essential oils, the aromatic nights with antibacterial and antifungal capabilities, riding on the wings of lavender, tea tree, or lemon, transforming cleaning hours into scented